Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to restore recently deleted Instagram posts in just a few simple steps. First, I'm going to delete a post, and then I'll show you how to restore it. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Find the post you want to delete, tap on it, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Delete and confirm. Once that's done, let's move on to restoring it. Go back to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on your activity. Scroll down and find the option called Recently Deleted. Here, you'll see any posts you've deleted in the last 30 days. Tap on the post you want to restore, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now tap Restore. Instagram may ask you to confirm your identity. Just follow the prompts. Once confirmed, the post will be restored to your profile. And that's it. You've successfully restored a deleted Instagram post. If this video helped, be sure to like it and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.